and the clover's just in bloom. A cheerful bird song woke me up and chased me right out of my room. Sunshine beams through the leaves and branches, and the pines stand tall and proud. Dandelions dazzle and the nectar flows, and tiny forest critters shout out loud. The grass is green, the sky is blue, the brook is found, and so are you. We'll seize that day for endless play. Picnic and party, that's our woodland way. Danger lurks, but we'll be fine. I've got your back, I'm lucky you got mine. Honeycomb and apple tree, there'll be plenty here for you and you and you and me.
Sweet corn harvest. Nation's over now, and the clover's just in bloom. A cheerful bird song woke me up. Wow, look at all that corn. I could eat it all right now. Do, 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 do. What does that say? Looks like they need people to work for them. Harvesting corn, I see. High salary. That's the ticket. I could really do this.
So, anyways, your job is simple. Harvest all the corn in this here field.
So much corn. I'm not sure I want to do this. Okay, now we're talking. I thought I was picking it by hand, but this makes it easy. Brum, brum. It broke. Oh, gee. It's self-destructing. What the?
Logger Vic,
Huh?
that harvester's been broke a long time. That's why I employed you. Tell you what, cousin just told me grasshoppers headed this way. Vic, you gotta harvest this corn before them pesky grasshoppers arrive.
Right. I best be getting on with it.
Get to picking.
What have I gotten into? I wish someone would help me. Oh? I thought I had an idea then. Huh? Yeah!
That's good. Hey, bro, what's the big idea? Huh? Logger Vic.
Hey, you guys! Ooh. I finally found you.
Looking for us?
Yeah. You see, guys, I am harvesting sweet corn, and I was hoping you guys would help me out. When we're done, I'll be able to pay you 50 cobs each.
50? Huh?
That's a lot of corn.
Delicious sweet corn.
We've got to get started right away. There's a lot of work to do. Let's get to it.
All right.
We'll do it.
Wow. Look at all this sweet corn.
It's a food paradise.
Why do I suddenly feel that letting the bears help me harvest the corn is a bad idea? Hey, you two.
Huh?
Stop having fun and get working. Bramble, take this field. Briar, you take that one there. All right, put all the corn in those baskets, okay?
Yeah.
One more thing.
Huh? Yeah.
Don't be eating the corn, because if you get caught, you're not going to get any pay. Are you understanding me? 50 corns is a reasonable amount for such sturdy and hard-working fellas like these. It sure is a pretty good deal for me, anyway. I'm sleepy. Huh? What time is it? Huh? Whoa. All right. These guys are efficient. Oh boy, they deserve a reward. I'll check Briar's field first.
Oh, it tastes like gold.
What is this? What the heck do you think you're doing there? Put that down!
So delicious.
You're eating the corn. I am
So I guess I ate a little bit too much. I better get rid of these corn cobs before Vic sees.
Ramble!
Huh?
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm caught red-handed.
I told you not to eat the corn!
Logger Vic, just chill out a bit, okay?
There's still a lot of work to be done. One more chance. One more. Understand me? Can I count on you?
We got this.
Now let's try this again. Maybe I should test them a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm going over here. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're just like a machine. I've never seen anyone eat like you do. Just look at your brother. He's much more hardworking.
Oh, yeah.
What? Briar!
Logger Vic, what's up?
Don't you know it's wrong to eat other people's food without permission?
You're right. I'm sorry.
Logger Vic,
Oh.
cousin just told me Grasshopper's on the way. You better hightail that corn husking. I'll double your pay if you do it in half the time.
You can count on me, that's for sure.
All right, then. I'll be waiting on good news.
Oh, wait a minute. What did he say? Double what now?
It's nothing. He just said to finish as
Logger
quick as we
Vic,
can.
Briar, better come quick. Look.
What's going on?
Grasshoppers!
Nobody panic. They're still a long way from the corn. We still have time.
But I'm afraid it's too late to harvest the other half.
Oh, yeah. We'll cut the corn down with these sides. Then we'll pick the corn off the stalks later.
Huh?
So, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay.
Bro, hurry, they're coming. Look.
What? There's no time. Bramble, do you remember that Twister game we used to play as kids?
Twister game. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Ready? Let's go.
Yeah.
You're incredible! Go, Boonie Bears, go!
Bramble, one more time.
Okay.
They're a real dynamo, huh?
I'm so dizzy.
Briar! Bramble! Hey, you guys! The grasshoppers are almost here! We have to go faster! Faster!
What? Logger Vic, can you think of any other ideas? Huh? What is that?
It's a harvesting machine,
Yeah!
but it's broken.
Hey, Briar, the grasshoppers are here.
Logger Vic, we need ideas quick.
I'll try this. I'll have a go at fixing the harvester.
We can help you.
Logger Vic, hurry. Be quick! They're eating the corn!
Come on, Vic.
Opa! All finished. Oh, yeah!
Right on! Go, Vic, go!
Woohoo! Okay, buggy!
Yeah! We did it!
Much obliged, Logger Vic. 'Tweren't for you, this corn here'd be grasshopper dinner. Well, reckon I give you the double pay I promised you.
Don't mention it. Could I possibly buy some corn off of you with my paycheck? Please?
Of course. Come on, I'll help you pick out some good ones.
Thanks. Briar and Bramble will be so happy with this delicious sweet corn.
Logger Vic, we've been waiting for you.
This here sweet corn's for you guys. See? For all your hard work and suffering. Here, take it.
We can't accept that
it's
gift.
okay.
Huh? What you talking about?
Well, we actually ate a lot of corn back there, and we're pretty full. Couldn't eat another bite.
I almost forgot that.
In the forest there's only one thing I love more than anything. It's so irresistible. It's all that I need. All the apples, berries, pears, bananas, or plums just can't compare. No, I'm a bear, so I need that wonderful glaze inside me. Oh, I can just taste that sticky taste of honey, warm in the grizzly heart within me. Nothing else in this whole world could quite compare.